Meet TAYGETA, our next generation rover, currently in the process of assembly and testing right next to us. The project was brought to life by the clever minds of Dresden, our university group. Our team is a diverse blend of students from various fields of study at the Technical University Dresden. The European Rover Challenge to us is the ultimate interdisciplinary project for students. It digs into every facet of engineering, from constructing mechanical components to ensuring flawless electric circuits and bug-free software for the rover's optimal performance. And let's not forget this year's challenge with the drill and drone requirement. But it doesn't end there. We handle all aspects of this venture on our own. Team management, securing sponsorships, organizing everything and documenting the process. We like challenges, we love engineering, that's why we participate in the ERC 23.
Having learned from previous year's mistakes, we decided to break down the project into more manageable subsystems. The TAYGETA project is led by Felix, David and Gregor, with the three coincidentally also leading the mechanical subsystems. Felix takes charge of the robotic arm, whilst Gregor is handling the locomotion system, and David ensures a seamless fit within our main body. Carl confidently handles our electronic layout, while Julius leads our software development. Theo is dedicated to constructing the deep soil drill, and Lukas is figuring out how to make our drone fly. Finally, Eric handles sponsorships and Nico takes care of our ground support equipment. And Konstantin is responsible for the science task. But nothing would have been possible without the rest of our team. Given that Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity, muscular atrophy will become an inevitable concern during long-term manned missions. But is there a simple solution that doesn't involve spending hours working out every day? Yes, creating artificial gravity on Mars. By daily spending time inside an environment with simulated gravity, muscle loss can be at least partially mitigated. Now you might wonder how to build an enormous human centrifuge on Mars in which astronauts could live or even work with limited resources on hand. Well, one solution may involve the construction of a torus structure inside the edge of a crater with sufficient diameter. Hence, allow me to introduce our science task: locating the largest crater and accurately examining every detail. Soil composition, drone images, 3D scans and stability of the crater. This comprehensive investigation will enable us to minimize the construction effort for the Martian Artificial Gravity Center, known as MAG-C.
The BEMA, or Boogie Electromechanical Assembly, is responsible for the locomotion of TAYGETA. It consists of a diff gear at the center, 2 sets of boogie suspension, 4 drive and steering pods and 8 wheels. With mass reduction being a key aspect in the design process, the team engineered new solutions throughout all sub-assemblies, including an improved diff gear layout, rope suspension, belt drive and steering systems and compliant rims and tires on the wheels. The flagship feature, however, remains the holonomic drive concept, enabling TAYGETA to steer indefinitely without any hard end stops and allowing for the seamless combination of rotational and translational movements.
This is our backup arm, but the new one is being assembled. With 6 degrees of freedom and decoupled joints, we achieve increased mobility and reliable movements. A tool changer adds to its versatility, allowing for seamless swapping of end effectors like shovels, grippers and a voltage probe. The stereo camera provides real-time monitoring and better control. Incorporation of inverse kinematics enhanced operation by simple movements.
The main body is the central connection point for all subsystems. Therefore, the goal was a robust but lightweight design. And it has enough space for all internal components, such as electronics, the battery and cooling. The primary structure consists of laser-cut aluminum sheets with soon-to-be painted acrylic glass covers. All necessary components, like the emergency stop, the soil sample container, antenna boom and future drone platform will be mounted here. TAYGETA has new cameras like the 360-degree PDF cam, top and ground cams, as well as a time-of-flight camera on each side for autonomous navigation.
The software of Rover was refined for TAYGETA mainly by restructuring the existing code into more manageable components. To localize itself, TAYGETA has 4 time-of-flight cameras and 1 stereo camera, which are used to extract features from the environment. This allows it to create a map and find its position within it simultaneously. The 3D map can then be converted into a 2D map in which the shortest path to the target can be found.
TAYGETA's electronics are largely similar to LAST. Most of the PCBs are based on a self-developed modular electronics standard called Pillars of Creation, or just POC for short. For TAYGETA, we improved our existing modules and developed a few more for additional functionalities. Operating the Rover are two NVIDIA Jetson boards for controlling the robotic arm, beamer and drill subsys, and one additional NVIDIA Jetson TX2NX is dedicated for executing our autonomous navigation calculations.